Kita kat mana?
Tadi kita di Putrajaya di apa tadi? Dorset apa benda?
Bazar
Scene 3.
Yeay.
And benda pergi bazar. Tapi
Tiba di Marok.
Sorry ya weh.
Tak struggle.
Cinta mati Marok.
Betul.
Mana sotong aku?
Tak ada.
So mine.
I thought it was yours. Tengok ni guys. Tak siapa?
Ya, bapak aku.
Ya ke? Bukan. Nanti aku kena sensor kalau aku nak post.
Muhammad Hanan.
Muhammad
Kamu
Hanan.
ada. Oh, maksud saya.
Selamat berbuka puasa you guys.
Let's go guys.
Kamu tak buka lagi kan?
Sabar.
Sebab air dekat you buka. Tak korang sunset.
Eh, wait, bapak besar si air ni.
Jangan mencarut lah.
Kelas aku berapa aku tak.
Aku dah kata dah bila masa. Dah rambut dah guna tak bawa.
Tadi kita dah borak pengetu. Aku dah kata.
Okey, jatuh tu memang salah aku. Apa yang dia kata? Mana ada kata. Tapi mana kata. Baru tu fikir jatuh. Maghrib. Kau kalau kau kata dalam hati, kau tak kata.
Kau tak hati. Kau tak orang yang
Maksud lagi. Kita marah sama kita.
Saya kau terbagi.
Aku panggil dia Mujahid. Mana kau belajar sih?
Apa he? We're walking. We're going to Grasshopper.
Aku dah datang 2 hari sini.
Tak you kau ni.
Oh, ni baca tuan nampak tak lampu-lampu tu kat situ?
Kalau tak kau mana lampu?
Kau nak pasal pakcik tu hantar ke?
Okay, where are we? Dah sampai. Tak fokus tu kamu.
Jom. Masuk. Tu. Ada kereta.
Tak, tu nampak tak ada api-api tu. Kalau kita bawa mercon kita dah boleh meletup. Weh, patut bawa bunga api lah ni.
Jom. Ni sini kedai makanan, bukan kedai mercon.
Comel lah. Kenapa comel?
Dia kisah rakam lagi.
Hari ni kita tengah minyak.
Siapa? Nak juga gambar minyak.
Nanti meletup. Sebab kalau dalam kereta okey lagi tau.
Dekat luar tak boleh. Kat luar yang selalu kes meletup.
Bodoh saya guys. Kita tengah isi minyak.
Aku tak reti isi minyak weh.
Aku lah isi minyak. Aku tak boleh drive tapi aku isi minyak. I love isi minyak.
Kakak nak air.
Tapi baru pakai mesin macam nak minum air. Cakap. Kawaii. Komen
Lagi. Polis tu kan?
Ni tempat orang dewasa tau.
Aku ni 18 plus tau.
Ya, dah lah buat perangai 16 tahun. Baik-baik.
Tak ada gurau lah.
Cakap boy. Mami nak makan dulu. Dah ambil gambar juga. Basuh. Kita minum. Semua cepat lah. Kita minum tak ni? Kita minum. Dari maju tau.
Tarik. Buat apa?
Kita pergi glass hot air.
Sorry, can I?
Glass hot air. Hot air. So nampak macam kita minum air kosong ni kan?
Jap. Ni dari kebanyakan.
Ini aqua penne. Tak minum macam ni.
No, pinky je.
Keleng kena angkat. Keleng. Pinky. Dia minum macam ni. Kau asyik malu je gila. Amazing. Mana ada susu kau.
Bila aku malu.
Outro. Okay. Baik duduk luar. Kita mulakan jamuan kita hari ni. Okay. Kita post kat story, kita tag The Grasshopper. Menu apa ni? Menu apa ni?
Boleh bawa menu baru ni. Lepas satu-satu.
Yang apa ni juga?
Aduh.
Banyak tu aku beli berapa je tu.
Korang kenyang ke?
Dua je.
Dia punya gila. Aku makan air gepuk tu. Kenapa aku tak nak mudah?
Ambil dessert.
RM20.
Malu sisi ni.
Bawa pakai tak?
Siapa bawa ni?
Pandai aku dia.
Aidan jangan bawa benda-benda pelik.
Kat sini boleh.
Bye guys. Okay, by the way, I rasa vlog ni sumpah tak jadi sebab I sumpah lupa nak record. Yang sempat tak record sangat. I record mana ingat dan mana yang sempat dan sangat chaotic hari ni. So apa yang ada tu ada je lah. Bye. See you in the next clip. Zoom. Saya pun lapar. Dia dapat bunga lah tunjuk. Orang kita bukan dalam series ni benar. Udah dia. No, mati dia. Oh my god. DIY 1807. Rasa bubble tea tu pakai fries kan? Bentar-bentar tu velocity. Jom ni aku dapat ni. Jom aku dapat. Aku dah promise dia. Jangkiti velocity yang tahu kasi. 5 saat lebih cepat. Angkat. Dah lebih dah. Anak belanja dah Wazik. Oh my gosh. Hari ni apa sekali? Hari blueberries. You hate blueberries? Oh my god. Suka lah. Lah aku tak suka makan. Macam unboxing test pula. Emily, saya kotor. Tak ada dia. Yeay. Emily suka nak baju. Satu-satu review, okay? Keep in mind dulu apa benda. Okay. Kita ada Pretty kan? Pretty. Kita ada Niffy. Kita ada kita ada Mama Muri. Kita ada Cinnamon. Ni apa nama dia? Kirby. Ponjaku. Kirby. Kita nak Ponjaku. This is mine. This is literally mine. Flex your socks. Flex your socks. Pakai sekarang. Pakai sekarang. Selekirnya waktu di korang. Oh my god. Okay. Next one. Jom kita pakai. Oh, okay. Emily, I'm gonna edit this out on YouTube. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I have no idea this one. Aku dapat. Ni, dalam ni. Sampah lah kita sana. What the freak? Wait, last Snoopy, please. Thank you, Emily. Royce. Wow. Thank you, Emily. I feel so late. Okay, jom kita taste test Hanan punya cornflakes. Mana dia tak tahu. Minat objek. Tanpa snapback. Mana dia? Siapa?
Ada. Oh. Tadi aku nyanyi kau balik. Mia balik. Oh, Mia balik. Oh, okey. Okay, gini. What am I learning? Okay, kita bye-bye. Okay. Mau dibilang okey, dibilang so okey. Na 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 na. Gue memang okey. Gue sampai. Gue sweat. Okay.
Love you guys. Hanan, have fun celebrating tomorrow. Have fun. Balik rumah get ready birthday post tau. Dah ready dah. Oh, dah ready. By the way, kita orang makan kat Pejam Mata Cafe.
Mana? Depan sikit.
Bye. Happy birthday. Tengok ni. Dia tiba datang kat saya. Hello. Hey, hey, hey. Alamak, kecil ni kena hidung tu. Tebalnya bulu dia. I got home, tapi I want to show you guys a haul of what I got from my friends. Because two of my friends, Irene and Emmeline, they went to Japan during, I don't know, time cuti lah. I mean, either way kita tengah cuti sekarang. So I want to show you guys what I got. So let me show you what I got from Irene first, sebab dia yang bagi first. So first, we got a pen. This is from Muji. You know, I really want to try this out. So macam Irene kata macam sebabkan kita nak masuk uni, cacah kan, tak pandai buat sedih kan. And then we also got this. I do not know what this is. It's a bourbon, I don't know. We will do a taste test one day when I wanna eat it. Then we also got from Irene Pachi chocolate. She gave us this before too. I don't know, I took this one because it's like the, I don't know, it's probably like dark chocolate or something. Or probably not, I'm not sure. Yeah, tapi because I did this color and like the golden color, so I took this one. Pachi chocolate. Okay, now I want to show you guys what I got from Emmeline, because she also went to Japan. Oh my god, I look like whatever. I look clapped as hell. Okay, so what I got from Emmeline is, the first thing that I got is socks. This is Pochako. Pochako is like one of my favorite Sanrio characters, other than Pochako lah. Pochako is Snoopy. Is not Sanrio, right? Yeah, Snoopy is other, because I love Snoopy. I just love it. I cannot open this. I love it so much. So basically, I was like, oh my god, Emmeline post ni tau kat story dia kat second account, and I'm like, I really need that Pochako one. And she's like, oh yeah, I bought this for you. I'm like, I will put a screenshot. I'm not lying. Screenshot. Okay, slay. Should I do a try on? No, that's kind of creepy if you guys want to see my feet, bruh. Anyways, and then the second thing that I got is, oh yeah, this. I want to show you guys this. She bought us keychain, and it's Snoopy, it's Peanuts. And if you guys don't know, our whole friend group, really loves Snoopy to death, to our bones, bro. We love Snoopy so much. So I picked this one. No, actually I just randomly picked it because there's like a bunch, so they picked like a pair. So this is it, this. And then this, I don't think you guys can see, but it's Snoopy. Show me later, I will show you in depth. Oh, I love it. And then the last one I got is chocolate Royce. Yay! And that's all. Wait, let me show you. Love it. Look, this is it. I like this. So cute. Okay, let's taste test this because I feel like eating it tonight. sementara kan tengah rasa nak makan ni. Oh my god! Wait, I love this. It's like chocolate and biscuit. Wait, stop. Love this. Like it's like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like this, and then we got like a biscuit at the back. This is the best type. Wait a minute. That's cute. Why did I open this first? I will open this last. I didn't know. I should open this last because it's literally the best thing. It's so good. Thank you, Irene.